Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today in our session we are going to continue about the question and answers from the previous state and Olympiad examinations children. This is about birds. Okay, so these question and answers are about birds, that is the chapter birds. The 31st question. A sparrow can sleep on the branches of tree while perching. It is most likely to have. A sparrow can sleep on the branches of tree while perching. See children, a sparrow. Sparrow, you know, no, the regular birds which we see around us. So it is going to sleep on the branches of tree while perching. Perching is nothing but while sitting or resting on the tree. Okay, so it is most likely to have what? A option is 2 toes in the front and 2 toes at the back. B is webbed feet. C is 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. D option is 2 toes in the front and 1 small winged toe at the back. Okay children, so how does the sparrow feet is 2 toes in the front and 1 small winged toe at the back. These are the feet of the perching birds. Clear children? So that is why D option is the correct answer. Now 32nd question. Identify a climbing bird from the following. So you have to identify the climbing bird. Here you have given the pictures of 4 birds. What are they? They are sparrow, crow, parrot and duck. So which is a climbing bird? Yes, it is C, that is parrot. Parrot and woodpecker are climbing birds children. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Now 33rd question children. A woodpecker has. A woodpecker, how is its beak? That we have to identify here. A option is chisel shaped strong and heavy beak. B is broad flat beak with strainers. C is long slender and curved beak. D is broad long and pointed beak. So how is the woodpecker beak children? So it has got a chisel shaped strong and heavy beak. So that is why A is the correct option. No, woodpecker, what does it do? With its beak, it is going to put holes. It is going to dig holes on the wood, that is on the trunk of the tree. Okay children, for this it has got a chisel shaped beak. Clear? Now 34th question. A woodpecker has 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back. It is a. So what is a woodpecker? It has got 2 toes in the front and 2 toes at the back. So whether it is a perching bird, is it a praying bird, is it a swimming bird or a climbing bird? So children, it is a climbing bird. No, woodpecker is a climbing bird. Clear? Now the 35th question. Identify a praying bird from the following. See children, here you have got 4 birds: sparrow, eagle, parrot and crane. Okay, so which is a praying bird? What is a praying bird children? Which kills another animal as food, I mean for its food. Okay, so that bird is called as a praying bird. Now in our options, eagle, that is B, it is a praying bird. Okay children, 36th question. Which kind of birds walk and run on the ground? Which kind of birds walk and run on the ground? So options are wading birds, B is swimming birds, C is perching birds, D is scratching birds. Okay, so what kind of birds can walk and run children? It is wading birds. Wading birds, okay, which can walk and run on the ground, like for example crane. Clear children? Now 37th question. Webbed feet with a special skin between toes are possessed by. In the sense, possessed by, in the sense, who owns such type of webbed feet? How is the feet? With special skin between the toes. So whether it is for swimming bird, or B option perching bird, C scratching bird, or D climbing bird. Webbed feet, children. Like for example, duck. No, duck can swim in the water. No, so it has got webbed feet. So swimming birds have got webbed feet. So A option is the correct answer. Now 38th question, children. Which of the following is a wading bird? Which of the following is a wading bird? You can see here 4 birds, that is eagle, crane, hen and duck. Okay, so from these birds, which is a wading bird? So already we have discussed this in our previous question. No, this is crane, which can walk and run on the ground. Okay, B. That is, even in water also it can walk. So crane. Clear, children? Now 39th question. Sunbird which sucks nectar or juice from the fruits and flowers has. So sunbird which sucks nectar or juice from the fruits and flowers has. So A option is long and thin pointed beak. B is long, slender and curved beak. C is broad and flat beak. D is soft and broad beak. So what is in the question? It is saying that sunbird is sucking nectar or juice from the fruits or flowers. No. So then how should its beak be, children? It must be long, slender and curved beak like a straw. No. So that is why B option is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, now we'll go to the 40th question, children. Which of the following praying bird has strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear the flesh into small pieces? See, children, here we have given 4 birds pictures here. What are they? Duck, sparrow, eagle and penguin. Now, from these birds, which praying bird has strong, sharp and hooked beaks? Okay, what is it? Which is going to tear the flesh, because it eats the animals, kills and eat the animals. So it is going to tear the flesh of that animal into pieces. No. So that is eagle. C option is our correct answer. Okay, children. Now 41st question. Match the following and select the correct answer. Now you have to match and select the correct answer. So A, B, C, D are the names of the birds. Okay, here in this first column you have got the birds, and here the type of beaks they have. Okay, so you have to match these two. Okay, children. Now what is it? Like eagle. Eagle, what type of beak it does have, children? Strong, sharp and hooked beak. No, strong, sharp and hooked beak. So third will match it to A. Okay. And B, woodpecker. Woodpecker, how does it have? It has got strong and heavy beak. Strong and heavy beak like a chisel. No. So this is of B. The first one matches with the B option. And C, that is hoopoe. Hoopoe, that is like which type of beak it does have? Okay. That is long and slender beak which sucks nectar from the flowers or fruits. Okay. So fourth is matched with the C one. And what is left over? D option, finch. No. So this second option, that is short, hard and horny beak. Okay, children. So this is the correct matching. This is the correct matching. And now if you see, so B option will match to this question. That is A is of 3, B is of first one, C is of fourth one and D is of second one. Clear, children? Yes. Now We'll go with the 42nd question, children. Which of the following birds uses its beak to climb branches? See, here you have got some 4 birds picture, children. So which of the following birds uses its beak to climb trees? Okay, so here you have got a peacock, you have got a parrot, no, you have got this one ostrich, and you have got another sparrow. No, a sparrow or crow this is. Okay, so which is going to use its beak to climb the branch? Okay, children, so our answer is B, that is the parrot. Now as parrot is a climbing bird, it also uses its beak to climb the tree. Clear? Now 43rd question, which of the following sets makes up a bird's body? So which is going to make up the bird's body? Now here you have given some parts of the bird's body. So which set is going to make the bird's body? Yes, children, A option is head, trunk, wings and tail. B is head, body, legs and tail. C is head, trunk, wings, legs and tail. D is head, neck, wings and legs. Okay, so which set is going to make a bird's body? Yes, D option, head, neck, wings and legs. Okay, children, clear? Now the 44th question, children, here. So which of the following claws belong to a bird that is strong, flies very high and has sharp eyes? See, children, you here you have given 4 different type of feet which belong to different type of birds. No, and you have got the claws of the feet here in the picture. So which claws of a bird are strong and which can fly very high and has sharp eyes? So that we have to identify. No, this is of praying bird. In the sense, these praying birds have got strong and claws and sharp eyes and they fly very high. Okay, so that is why B option is the correct answer. Okay, children, so for example, eagle, vulture and all. Now 45th question, children. So which of the following is used to change the direction of the bird during its flight? So which of the following is used to change the direction of the bird during its flight? So whether it is breastbone, whether it is down feathers, whether it is flight feather or whether it is tail feather. Now we have to identify. So what is it, children? So what did we learn? That is tail feather. D option. So tail feathers are going to change the direction when the birds are flying high in the air. Okay, children, clear? Now 46th question, children. Which of the following birds fly only short distances? See, here you have got pictures of hen, crow, eagle and sparrow. No, so which bird can fly only short distances? Yes, that is our hen. Okay, clear, children? Now it's about 47th question. Here there is a table and you have got 4 groups. No, P, Q, R and S. Now what is our question is? Crow, a bird commonly found, should be placed in the group. So here, so according to the group, so they have given different categories. Like P group is of plants, no, and Q group is of animals, R group is of wild animals, and S group is of like animals, in the sense here, children, S group is of omnivores. Okay, this is of omnivores. R group is of carnivores. Okay, and Q group is of what? Herbivores. No, P group is of again plants. No, what type of plants again here? Terrestrial plants. So now, so crow, to which group does it belong? That we have to identify. What is a crow, children? So crow belong to omnivores group, that is S group. Why? Because crow eats plant food and it also eats small insects. No, so that is why even animals, small animals, okay, small birds. So that is why it belongs to S group, that is omnivores, which eat both plant and animal food. Clear, children? Now 48th question. This is of level 2 children, and 48th question. Refer the given figures showing birds' feet and select the correct option. Okay, so here you have given the figures of the bird's feet and we have to select the correct option. To which bird does this, to which bird does the feet belong? Now already here they have given the option number and also the figure, and also the bird, but we have to match it. We have to match it correctly and we have to select which is incorrect. Okay, now D is of eagle according to this picture. So D is of eagle. Is it true, children? Yes. E, this is E, that is the webbed feet. E is of parakeet. No, this is wrong. So this is our answer because this is the incorrect match. Okay, F is of crow. This is also correct. G is of woodpecker. G is of woodpecker. Okay, even this is also correct. Clear, children? So which is not matching? Yes, this is E. This is webbed feet. It must be of duck. No. So E is our answer. Clear? Now we'll go to the 49th question, children. Here you have got a Venn diagram and we have to select the correct option here. So what, children, let us check the answer here. So like if you see here, so X in the sense this particular circle and this circle, okay, X. So what it is telling, it is like X has got webbed feet and it has got flightless wings. No, flightless wings. Is it true, children? Yes, that is penguin. Here in our answer we have got an option X is penguin. No, it has got webbed feet and it cannot fly. No, flightless wings. It cannot fly. No, so that is why A. This is one correct answer. And we'll check the next option, that is B. That is Z is crane. Z is crane. Where is the Z? Like here. So here, in the sense, Z has got webbed feet, Z has got flightless wings, Z has got broad flat beak. Is it correct, children? Z has got webbed feet, crane. No, Z has got crane, that is crane has got wading feet. So this option is wrong one. Okay, now we'll check with the Y option. Y is duck. Y is duck. Now see here Y. Here it is Y. Are you able to see here, children? Y here. So according to our Venn diagram, so Y has got broad flat beak and also webbed feet. Okay. So is it correct? Yes. Y is duck. So this is correct. So that is why answer is D option. Answer is D option. Okay. Because both A and C are the correct answers. Clear, children? Now we'll go with the 50th question here. Study the given classification chart of birds. They have been classified according to the certain characteristics P, Q, W, X, Y and Z. So are you able to see, children, here beaks of birds, and they have just named it by letters. Okay, like P, Q, W, X, Y and Z. Which of the following shows the characteristics of Q and W accurately? So we have to identify about the Q and W. Okay, so again in Q you have got Y and Z. No, both Y and Z. Okay, so which characteristics are going to match this word, that is Q and W correctly, that we have to identify. And see children, here are the characters, that is the features of Q and W. So what is Q? With straight beaks, with curved beaks, and Q is with a straight beak, and W is beak is longer than length of the head. Okay, and B is with curved beaks and with straight beaks. C is with curved beaks and beak is shorter than the length of the head. D is beak is shorter and W is with curved beaks than the length of the head. So according to this we have to match the correct option here. Okay, so we'll just check it children. Like what is this? Again we'll go back to our question here. Okay, just a minute. We'll just go back to our question. Okay. So now what we have to do? So we have to correctly match the characteristics. Children, Q has got the curved beaks. No, so you have got a curved beaks, and W, see here, W, how it is children? So it has got very short beak. No, very short than the length of the head. See here. Okay. So this is the characteristic of the birds here. We'll just see where does this match. Okay. It matches in the C option, that is C category, that is with curved beaks, and W is beak is shorter than the length of the head. Okay, so our answer is C option, that is C. Clear children? So you may find it difficult to understand, but you have to carefully observe the pictures and you have to carefully go with the text, that is the answers, so that you don't get confused and mark it correctly. Now 51st question children. Study the given classification chart. Which of the following birds belong to group Y and group Z respectively? Okay. So here, so they have divided the birds into two groups. Okay. What is that? Group Y and group Z. Okay. Now what we have to do? Under Y, so they have given some birds like what? Bat, goose, ostrich and goose. No, there is like a match of both the birds. Like under Z again they have given penguin, flamingo, emu and penguin. Okay, so we have to just match the birds which belong to group Y and group Z. Okay children. So to eagle, no, eagle. So what type of another bird which matches to this particular group Y? Okay, so that is what? Goose. Goose. Okay, here also we are having goose. But again group Z if you take kiwi. But flamingo, it doesn't match to kiwi. So it is going to match with the penguin. Okay, so that is why D option will be the correct answer for us, because both the birds have to match. No, so under group Y and group Z. So here D option, that is goose and penguin, will match to this chart. Clear children? Now we'll go with the 52nd question now. So again here there is a flow chart for you. So we have to identify where would penguin and eagle be placed. So where would penguin and eagle to be placed? In the sense you have got G, F, D and E. So we have to place eagle and penguin in these boxes. So where we have to place this, that we have to identify. Okay children. So we'll just start saying that about penguin. So can penguin fly children? No, it cannot fly. No. And can penguin swim? Yes, it can swim. No, it can swim. See here. So penguin can fly and penguin can swim. So can fly, they are telling it is no, and can swim, they are telling it is yes. So E option matches with penguin. Okay children. Now we look at eagle now. So what is eagle? How it is eagle children? So eagle has two legs. Yes, it has two legs. It can fly. Yes, it can fly. No, it can fly. So that is why D option will go with our eagle. Will match with our eagle. No. So then what will be our answer? E is for penguin. D is for eagle. So D is our correct answer. So like this you have to check all the other options also. Okay children. Now match the columns and select the correct option. So you have given about the feathers in column 1 and about the function, like what work do they do in the column 2. And now we have to match this. Okay children. So how will we do this now? So column 1 it is telling about body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. Now we have to match it, like what body feather do. So what body feathers do? Yes, they give the bird its shape. No. So it matches with the second number here. So what do the down feathers do? Down feathers, they are going to keep the body warm. Body of which? The bird body warm. No, it matches with the the third one. And flight feathers, it is used in flapping, in the sense in the flying. Okay. And now our answer is A is 2. No, A is 2, B is 3 and C is 1. So B option is our correct answer. Clear children? Now 54th question here. Select the incorrect match from the following. See here you have given different claws and different feet and also different beaks of the birds children, and even different birds also here. So we have to select the incorrect match. Okay, incorrect match. Now here this is the claws of a praying bird. No. So it is telling that helps the bird to catch and hold its prey. Okay, and this is correct. B option is, this is webbed feet. No, it helps the bird in swimming. This is also correct. C, this is again a praying bird. So with this curved and hooked shaped strong beak, it is going to help to tear and eat meat. This is also correct. And what is left over? D. This is about the duck. No. So helps to make holes in wood and tree trunks. This is the wrong match. No, duck is not going to make holes in wood. It has got a flat and broad beak which is going to eat the plants and insects in the mud. No. So that is why this is a wrong option. So D is the correct answer for this question. 55th question children. Here you can see different toes. So which of these toes helps the bird to climb trees and to cling on to them, in the sense which are going to climb trees and cling, in the sense which are going to sit, catch hold on the branches of the tree. Okay children. So A, B and C and D. So A is of praying bird, D is of climbing bird, C is of C is again of a webbed feet. No, webbed feet. And this D option is again of a praying bird. So this is not of praying bird children. Sorry, A is not of praying bird, D is of praying bird. But which feet is going to help the bird to climb trees? Which type of toes is about B option, this type. Okay, clear? Now here 56th question children. Refer the given figures and select the correct option. So you have given the beaks, different types of beaks and birds in D, E, F and G options. So which bird E has sharp and hooked beak? Sorry, why bird E has sharp and hooked beak? So this particular bird, it has got a sharp and hooked beak. Why it is? It is a preying bird. So what does it do? It is going to tear the flesh. No, it is going to tear the flesh. So A option is the correct answer for us. Clear, children? Now the 57th question, children. Sunita and Priya played a drama. They narrated a conversation between two birds as following. So these two girls, they have played a drama and they have narrated. In this is they described about two birds in their conversation. Like how did they describe, children? And what did Sunita say? Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. Then Priya said, "Kuhu kuhu, dear the birds are all praising themselves and shouting." So what is Priya telling that? So the birds are all praising themselves and shouting by telling kuhu kuhu. Okay. Identify from the above conversation the birds Sunita and Priya have narrated. So what type of birds did Priya and Sunita have narrated, that we have to identify. Okay, children. So A is owl and cuckoo, B is peacock and crow, C is owl and pigeon, D is bat and parrot. But this sound normally we get from A option. That is what? And cuckoo, Priya is telling about cuckoo and Sunita is telling about owl. Okay, because I mean all also make so much of noise. No, so owl and cuckoo. Clear, children? So A is our correct option. Now 58th question, children. 5 children made the following statements about birds. Okay, so whose statements about birds are true? So there are 5 children like Ashok, Beena, Ali, Suchi, Enna. Okay, and they made different statements about birds. What Ashok said? All birds can fly. Beena said all birds have a beak. Ali said all birds have a backbone. Suchi said all birds have an outer covering of feathers. And Enna said most birds lay eggs while some give birth to their young ones. So which one's statements are correct? Okay, children. So all birds can fly, that is wrong. All birds have a beak, this is correct. Okay. Then all birds have a backbone, this is also correct. All birds have an outer covering of feathers, this is also correct. Okay, children? Okay. Now most birds lay eggs while some give birth to their young ones. Enna said about this. So this is again wrong. No? So that is why Beena, Ali and Suchi. This is Ali, children. Okay. B option is correct. Okay. All birds have a beak, all birds have a backbone, and all birds have an outer covering of feathers. Okay. So B option is the correct one. And 59th question, children, and the last question for today's session. Read the given statements. Dash and dash have long thin legs to wade through water. Dash and dash. Okay. And second one is dash and dash have sharp curved claws called talons. Select the correct words to fill in the blanks. In this sense, we have to select the birds. No, who have wading legs and who have got this talons. Which bird has got the talons? Okay. A option is like crane and duck. Okay. And crane and duck. If you see here, crane and duck in the first category, this first question. Hawk and hen in the second one. So this is the wrong one. B is crane and flamingo in the first question. 2 is eagle and hawk in the second question. So this is the right one, children. So here crane and flamingo, they have long and thin legs, and eagle and hawk have got sharp and curved claws called talons. Okay, so B is the correct answer for us. Clear, children? So that's all for today. So we are going to end with the question and answers from the previous state and Olympiad examinations, children. So be careful, study very carefully and understand the question and then go with the answers. Okay, children? So we'll be continuing in the next session. So until then, take care and goodbye. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.